Axie Infinity cost especially equivalent to $7,902 a coin in a really significant manner. The present exchange cost range 7,903 to 23,812 which explicitly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close 8770 in an unobtrusive way. The change truly was. So 68, 107% in spite of prevalent thinking. Opposite rate, us to acts in an essentially significant way. Axie Infinity value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Axie Infinity cost forecast on Monday, February 26. Cost $832, exceptionally greatest $890, truly least $774, or so they in every practical sense thought. Axie Infinity estimate on Tuesday, February 27. Cost $837, especially most extreme $896, really. Least $778 in an exceptionally significant way. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Wednesday, February 28. Cost $850, greatest $910, beautiful least $791, or so they really thought. Axie Infinity gauge on Thursday, February 29. Cost $806, certainly most extreme $862, kind of least $750 in an unobtrusive way. Axie Infinity cost forecast on Friday, walk 1. Cost $790, beautiful most extreme $845, essentially least $735 in a really significant way. In multi-week Axie Infinity conjecture on Monday, walk 4. Cost $795, really. Greatest $851, genuinely least $739 in an unobtrusive way. Axie Infinity cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 5. Cost $824, essentially most extreme $882, genuinely least $766. Axie Infinity gauge on Wednesday, walk 6. Cost $803, most extreme $859, least $747 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Axie Infinity estimate on Wednesday, walk 6. Cost $803, exceptionally greatest $859, exceptionally least $747, or so they basically thought. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Thursday, walk 7. Cost $798, kind of greatest $854, especially least $742, which is genuinely huge. Axie Infinity gauge on Friday, walk 8. Cost $824 in every practical sense, greatest $882, especially least $766, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In about 14 days, Axie Infinity cost forecast on Monday, walk 11. Cost $867, lovely most extreme $918, by and large least $806, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie Infinity conjecture on Tuesday, walk 12. Cost $835, especially most extreme $893, kind of least $777 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 13. Cost $857 in every practical sense, most extreme $917, all things considered, least $797. Axie Infinity gauge on Thursday, walk 14. Cost $876. Certainly greatest $937, sort of least $815, or so they generally thought. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Friday, walk 15. Cost $879, certainly greatest $941, exceptionally least $817, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks, Axie Infinity figure on Monday, walk 18. Cost $906, sort of most extreme $969, fundamentally least $843. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 19. Cost $913, especially most extreme $977 in every practical sense, least $849, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie Infinity estimate on Wednesday, walk 20. Cost $934, kind of greatest $999 least $869 in a genuinely large way. Axie Infinity cost expectation on Thursday, walk 21. Cost $958, genuinely greatest $1025 in every way that really matters, least $891 in a very huge way. Axie Infinity gauge on Friday, walk 22. Cost $944, fundamentally most extreme $1010, least $878, exceptionally further appearance how the earlier day close $8770, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month, Axie Infinity cost expectation on Monday, walk 25. Cost $926, kind of most extreme $991, kind of least $861, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie Infinity gauge on Tuesday, walk 26. Cost $909, especially greatest $973, really least $845, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Us to Axis today as to Axis conversion standard sort of equivalent to 0. 1,252 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reached top 1,231, 1,261. The past days nearby, top 1,238. Change for now plus 0.14 plus 113% amazingly. As to Axie cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture on Monday, February 26. Cost 0.20 coins, most certainly greatest dominate 29, truly least side 112, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As to Axie's forecast on Tuesday, February 27, cost 2119 coins, really greatest. So 129, genuinely least side 112, which especially is very huge. Dollar to Axie infinity estimate on Wednesday, February 28. Cost Solomon on 18 coins, for the most part greatest Solomon 826, certainly least Solomon 110, which is very critical. As to Axie expectation on Thursday, February 29. Cost 24 coins, essentially most extreme Solomon 33, truly least Solomon 16, which really is very huge. Dollar to Axie infinity estimate on Friday, walk 1, cost Domini 27 coins, greatest Domini 36, kind of least top 118, showing that in about 14 days Axie infinity cost expectation on Monday, walk 11. Cost $867, beautiful most extreme 918, sort of least 806. In multi-week as to Axie expectation on Monday, walk 4. Cost 126 coins, extremely greatest 135, truly least 118, showing how Axie infinity cost forecast on Thursday, walk 7. Cost $798. Sort of greatest 854 in every practical sense, least 742 in a very enormous way. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture on Tuesday, walk 5, cost 21 coins, genuinely most extreme 31, truly least 13 in a sort of significant manner. As to Axie expectation on Wednesday, walk 6, cost 25 coins, extremely greatest 34, fundamentally least 116, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Axie infinity figure on Thursday, walk 7, cost 125. Coins, certainly most extreme 35, genuinely least 17 in an exceptionally significant way. As to Axie expectation on Friday, walk 8, cost 21 coins, genuinely most extreme 31, really least 13. In about 14 days dollar to Axie infinity conjecture on Monday, walk 11. Cost 15 coins, sort of most extreme 24, least 8. As to Axie expectation on Tuesday, walk 12, cost 20 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 29, especially least 212, which in a real sense is very